Welcome to Bitcoin Finance. In this episode, we will be discussing whether or not the number of Bitcoins that will ever be in existence is finite or not. This is a common question that people new to Bitcoin often ask. They wonder whether Bitcoins can be produced infinitely. This is a natural concern to have. If the number of Bitcoins that could be produced was infinite, then clearly the ultimate value of a Bitcoin would almost be close to zero. It is in fact the perfect scarcity of Bitcoins which is fundamental to its value and which gives it such appeal as a store of value. So, for those of you who are new to Bitcoin and who've been wondering about this topic, let's go into it a little deeper. Bitcoin is created or mined according to a particular algorithm which has predetermined that the most Bitcoin that there will ever be is 21 million. Each Bitcoin consists of 100,000 units called Satoshis, and those units can also be further subdivided using other types of platforms and protocols. But at a high level, the most important thing to bear in mind is that the total number of Bitcoins that will ever be created is limited, and that number is 21 million. In that sense, Bitcoin is similar to physical gold. Part of the reason gold has value is that the total amount of gold ever to be in existence is limited. Much of it has already been mined and surfaced. Some of it, although we don't know exactly how much, still has been undiscovered. But gold is both scarce and limited, and that is part of what gave it its ability to be used well for many decades and centuries as a store of wealth. Currently, around 18.5 million Bitcoins have been mined, and that leaves less than 3 million that will still come into existence at some point in the future.